Hello and welcome to this video presentation on installing the Unbreakable Enterprise Kernel. The Unbreakable Enterprise Kernel UEK for Oracle Linux offers the latest open source innovations as well as business critical performance and security enhancements for both cloud and on-premise deployments. Before attempting to install the latest UEK kernel, we must ensure the proper repository is installed and enabled. Using the terminal, run sudo space dnf space list space -- installed space pipe space grep space Oracle Linux -- release. Install or upgrade the package by running sudo space dnf space install or sudo space dnf space upgrade and the Oracle Linux -- release package ending in -el and your version of Oracle Linux. A better option, rather than just updating a single package, is to upgrade all your packages using sudo space dnf space upgrade. Verify the availability of the new UEK repository by running sudo space dnf space repo list space all. Enable a UEK repository using sudo space dnf space config - manager space -- enable and then the repo ID of the new UEK repository. Verify the change by running sudo space dnf space repo list and checking for the new UEK version in the list. Now install the UEK kernel by running sudo space dnf space install space kernel -uek. DNF checks and creates a list of packages and their dependencies before installation. The list shows DNF pulling the latest UEK kernel from the new UEK repository. If you need the development packages to compile additional kernel modules, then install the required development package running sudo space dnf space install space kernel -uek -devel. With the UEK kernel package now installed, you need to reboot your system to load the new kernel. Run sudo space systemctl space reboot. If you have access to the console during startup, the system shows the newly installed kernel in the grub menu. Oracle Linux automatically boots into the newly installed kernel unless you have manually modified grub. Once the system initializes, log into the system and run the command uname space -a. The output shows the current kernel details, verifying you're running the new kernel. That completes your installation of a new UEK kernel. Thank you for watching and enjoy running your newly installed UEK kernel on Oracle Linux.